Hi, I am Dr. Krunal Girase, the founder of Indilok. At Indilok, we started with the very simple vision to bring India's engineering talent to the global stage. World's most advanced technologies like semiconductor, quantum computing, and the advanced mobility all are based on precision, and that's what we deliver. Semiconductor industry at its turning point right now. Longer leading time and the increased cost which limits the innovation. However, talking about India, India is in the unique position right now to address this challenge as a solution. And that's exactly the reason to build the Indilok here in India. Motivation behind forming Indilok in India is while I was working in Japan in a research and development division, when I wanted to have any parts, any component, I got it within a week, within a few days. However, when I came back to India and started to work on the same thing, the lead time was very long here. The purchase process was very long. So I found there are three different challenges. First is the local manufacturing is not available here in India. Second, the purchase process and the lead time because there is no stock. All these three leads to the longer time for the research and development projects. However, time is key for the success. This is the reason I try to focus on shipping on the same day. I try to focus on local manufacturing here in India and to ship the same products on the same day after receiving the order. I try to address all supply chain challenges here in India to support the companies where we will make in India products. Because Indilok believes Make in India, Empower India.